Intesa Sanpaolo Business Mastercard Gold Italy app. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about the Intesa Sanpaolo Business Mastercard Gold app is that it balances premium features with everyday practicality. Many business owners underestimate how much it can improve spending visibility and travel convenience. Let's start with the pros. The card offers flexible credit, reward points on purchases, and travel insurance covering flights, rentals, and medical emergencies. The app allows real-time monitoring, employee card management, and expense tracking. Integration with accounting systems simplifies monthly reporting. Cons include a moderate annual fee and limited rewards compared to international premium cards. Some smaller Italian merchants may prefer local debit methods. Overall, for Italian companies that travel and want simple expense management, the Intesa Sanpaolo Business Mastercard Gold app delivers both security and efficiency.